Part 3, Submitting Your Essay. Once you are ready to submit your essay, you will find and click on File in the top left corner. Scroll down and click Download, and be sure you choose PDF document. Once you have, it'll download in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. You should click on the up arrow and choose Show in Folder. Once you do, it should be at the top of your folder. Leave it there and head back to your Chrome browser. Once you've done that, find your school's intranet homepage and scroll down until you find Performance Matters. Be sure that it says Student and click on it. You should be brought to this screen, and be sure that you are logging in under the student login. In order to log in, you will need your Campbell County issued email address as well as your Campbell County school password. Once you log in, you will find a list of tests that you are able to take at the time. Be sure that you choose the English 2020-2021 Performance Assessment. Once you get to this screen, hit the Next button in the bottom left corner. On this screen, you will type your first and last name, acknowledging that you did not get any help while writing this essay. Once you have done so, in the bottom right-hand screen, press Next. Once you arrive at this screen, you will upload your PDF file that you downloaded. If it's still in the bottom left-hand of your screen, simply drag and drop it into the box. If it's not still at the bottom of your screen, you'll want to go to Browse Files. Be sure that you are in Downloads. Find the copy of your writing performance task, select it, and click Open. One of the most important parts at this point, once your PDF document is uploaded, is to be sure you click Upload Files to Server. Once it becomes green across the screen, hit Submit Test. Once you hit Submit Test, this question 1 of 1 and this question 1 of 2 should have green check marks to the right. 2 questions should have been answered. If that is the case, then hit Submit Test again. And you're done.